We're trying to reinvent the way we study brain disorders and find better treatments. Professor Cedric Bardy at Flinders University and SAHMRI, and I'm a neuroscientist. In neurology, which affects a lot of people, a lot of brain disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, it's been historically very difficult to get translation, to get new medicine to people. A lot of the research and solutions we have for people with brain disorders right now come from animal models, which are very important, very useful, but they often fail to recapitulate the human brain. The mouse brain is not like a human brain. It's pretty obvious. So we've been working on modeling or remodeling the human brain tissue in a petri dish. So how we do that, we start with skin cells or blood cells from patients or healthy donors. We convert them into stem cells and then into live brain tissue. And this becomes some sort of brain tissue avatars in a petri dish that can then use to understand what's wrong with the brain cells from these patients, but most importantly to test drugs directly on these brain cells in a petri dish without putting the patient at risk. It's really leveraging all the new technologies from the last 10, 15, 20 years. So combining all these biotechnologies gives us new insights that were just not possible before. We couldn't do that. And the hope is that by using these new biotechnologies and obviously trying to ask the right question too, and working with the patients, we can find solutions that we haven't had so far. In the lab at the moment, our team is focusing on 3 different programs, one on brain cancer, one on Parkinson's disease, and one on dementia in children. I like to think that we're making an impact in understanding of this disease. We're making an impact in providing tools for other researchers like ourselves to, advance, and make, progress towards a cure. And also, I can see the impact of the family, even though we haven't found a cure. Talking to the parents with kids with childhood dementia, talking to us and knowing that, especially for rare diseases like that, knowing that there are people working on their problems every day. They're not alone. It gives me, pride and motivation for sure. I'm really proud of and really excited about is being part of this journey to, find a new way to study brain disorders. I think the end goal is trying to help people, trying to have an impact. And let's be honest, science is a very slow machine, so it's not, doesn't mean, of course I want to cure a disease like Parkinson, dementia, or brain cancer. I think that would be the end goal, not just mine, but of many people. But anything we can do to get a little closer to this, and it's possible. It's not like unreachable. We've been making progress, but it's just like every day we can come in and add a little piece to the puzzle. I think that's what I'm focusing on. Short-term goals that have an impact on the longer vision, which is really helping people with brain disorders.